My name is Ravi. Let's say you are a stock market investor, all right? And what is your motive? You would want to maximize your profit and minimize the risk that you're putting in. So that's essentially what we are doing here. We've created an application which will provide you 3 essential features, starting with a spider visualization for sector analysis, time series visualization for a stock analysis, supported with 5 technical key indicators like standard deviation. This is how our homepage looks like, and this is supposed to move, but it's not moving for now. So you can select between any exchanges. Once you go into a particular exchange, it goes to a sector. Once you select a sector, you can select a stock as well. Now let's say if I want to analyze a sector like services. So I would just click on analyze volatility here, and this would lead to a very unique visualization called spider visualization. So this is the spider visualization. Now, these are 2 spider visualizations. Now, each ring here signifies the day and time, and the lines connecting, the blue lines connecting, are the performance fluctuations. If I hover on any of the blue lines, it tells me as to what stock it is, what is the opening price, what is the closing price, and as we can clearly see that the left spider visualization is much more stable than the right one, because here things are going pretty crazy. So as a safe investor, I would want to invest in a safe sector. I would want to analyze a safe sector. So this is a pretty cool feature about this visualization, that we can compare 10 to 20 stocks in just one go. And this is a pretty unique thing which we never found on any website like Yahoo Finance or Google Finance. The other things that this visualization provides is functionality like selecting between various sectors like services, technology, health, and you can do it by just checkboxes. And you can select various date ranges. Now the maximum date range allowed is of 50, because if you go beyond 50, it will become very cluttered and it will be of no use. Now, once we've decided the sector, we would want to go back and select the stock within a sector. Let's say we go back and select FedEx Corporation. So this leads to a visualization which is something like this, a time series visualization. We can hover anywhere on this visualization and see what was the stock price at that point of time. It's a candlestick chart. The 3 colors that you see, cyan lines, orange lines, are nothing but moving averages. These bars are the volume traded for that day. And on the left we have percentage axis, we have price axis on the right. The other interactive features here are the zooming functionality, which is something like this. You can do it by mouse scroll over. You can reset the zoom at any point of time. You can switch from candlestick to OHLC graph. Now, depending on the user's preference, he can view OHLC or candlestick. Essentially, both are the same, but if you consider the red candle, it denotes that today's closing price was less than the yesterday's closing price. On the contrary, the green denotes that it was higher compared to the yesterday's price. Now, after that, we have analyzed as to what are the key indicators that can help an investor to invest better. So we finalized 5 indicators, starting with standard deviation. It tells us nothing but the deviation of today's price from the previous 20 days average prices. The other one is on balance volume, which is nothing but a volume indicator, moving indicator. It is believed that if the volume is increasing for a stock, but if the price is not increasing, that means it has a great potential for investment. The third one that we have put in is commodity channel index. If the peak goes beyond a certain point, it signifies that the stock has been oversold. If it goes beyond a point, it says it's undersold. The final 2 indicators that we have added are moving average, convergence and divergence, and relative strength index. These 2 will tell you nothing but how the stock has been trending, and if this doesn't match with the stock price, it tells us that the trend has ended, and then a stock investor can stop putting his money in the same stock. So finally, I hope that this is a good help to the investors, and as somebody has wisely said, that risk comes from not knowing what you're doing, and hopefully our application will help you in doing what you're doing. Thank you.